In today's video, guys, I'm going to be building the boiled one from Dr. Noah. So let's get right into it. So, let's not use that. I think we should use that for the body because it's pretty big. And the little one is kind of large. So let's just stack a bunch of them. And yeah. Oh, that's not a usable one. But it is. Okay. So this. Okay. Yeah, that's good. Yo, it has a big problem with the hitbox and stuff. I'm just gonna stack like 2 more. Okay, I think I gotta do more than that. Okay, so we got the body done. It looks like this. I think that's pretty good. So for the head is probably gonna be the hardest part. Let me save that real quick. So I kind of forgot to record while I was building the head and everything. So anyways, here's the final result. So guys, I did a lot on screen. So here's the boiled one. I'm gonna take a picture real quick and do like which one is better and if it looks like the real one. So here's the real one and here's mine. Yeah, I got some fixes to do.